than hell and darker than a gun. You can throw all your bullets in a well, but that don't get nothing done. You shot some things, you broke everybody's heart. You clipped your wings, you just don't know where to start. So you buy yourself an old used welding machine. Forgive yourself for every little dirty thing. You pick up the pieces of the broken things at your feet and slap on your welding